In the next 24 hours, I'm going from ordinary to main character energy. And if I fail even one step, the whole glow up is over. Let's go! Nobody's ever tried this insane 24-hour glow up challenge until now. Before starting, let's see the plan. I've got 3 phases: morning transformation, afternoon level up, and night final glow. In each phase, I have mini challenges with timers. If I miss the timer, I lose points. And you? You can do this challenge with me today. I've already studied the best glow up tips, so believe me. And let's begin. I woke up at 8 a.m, but don't worry, you can wake up anytime. First thing, I took some cold water and splashed it on my face. Yes, it was freezing, but cold water is amazing for your skin. After that, I ran to my bedroom and tied my hair up. Then I grabbed my water bottle and drank as much water as I could, because drinking enough water helps increase circulation in the body and makes your skin look more glowing. Next, skincare sprint. Take whatever you have: face wash, moisturizer, face cream. And if you don't have anything, no worries. Just use soap and water. You think it won't work? Let's see. I used soap and water and massaged my face for 1 minute in upwards circular motions because this helps blood circulation. Then I rinsed my face with cold water again. After that, it was time for the afternoon level up. First, the power posture challenge. For the next 5 minutes, I walked with my shoulders back, chin up, and core tight. This instantly makes you look more confident. Next, the outfit switch. I picked something that would make me feel amazing. A colour that pops, a flattering fit, and something that makes you smile in the mirror. Then came the mind glow challenge. I wrote down 3 compliments to myself and said them out loud. Yes, it feels silly, but confidence starts in your mind. Finally, the nighttime final glow. First, the 5-minute glam. Brows, mascara, lip gloss, etc. Simple, but powerful. And the last step, the photo test. I took 3 pictures in good lighting, adjusting my hair, pose, and background until the vibe was perfect. And that's it. 24 hours, complete glow up. I went from just existing to feeling unstoppable. If I can do this in 1 day, imagine what you can do in the next 24 hours. Your glow up starts now. If you're ready for your glow up, smash subscribe, because the next challenge is going to be even crazier.